Hello, and I welcome you back to the Motor House for more fun work. And it's not really fun, but it's fun work on the 7 chassis. You'll see I've got it on an angle here, propped up, because as you'll see in the little clips I'm going to put forth, it helps to, as I clean up inside there, to flush everything so it drains out. And just to show you what I'm doing, this is shim stock, basically a very thin shim stock that I have some of, and just cut it because it gets up inside to clean, which helps a lot. Little smaller one to get up, and you can see what I pull out when I'm cleaning. That's what's up inside there. We'll call that a mixture of grime and rust. It's not the sand. Of course, there's a little bit of grit in there from the blasting, but that is not the grit from blasting. So I go in there. It's a long, tedious process. Make a bunch of little thin, very thin picks to go up inside, slide up in there, clean everything, loosen it up, spray it all, flush it out. I'm starting with Prepsol. It's something used for a long time. We've had it in the shop. I say my dad had it. It's used for cleaning up grease and wax and different things. Odor is low, not very flammable. You can make it flammable if you want. You can always light this stuff up, but it's not that volatile to work with. I guess that's the best way to put it. And I have to say, I'm happy. I just got this today. It's a rechargeable sprayer, and you fill it about halfway up with whatever contents you're wanting, brake clean, which I will get to here shortly. But I'm doing the Prepsol first, and then put some air pressure to it, and you can reuse it over and over again, which is nice. And if you use a little bit, put some more air pressure to it, keep the nice solid stream going, and it washes up in here, gets everything down. I go back in there, loosen some more things, do it. I use the wire wheel also. That's... I moved down this way. I was around the front for a bit. So let's see if I can get some light in to, let's see, it might be interesting, but you can see a little dark area to the right inside, and that is, we'll say grime that's built up, and I got to get in there and clean that. That's kind of part of what's happening. You can kind of see the line that I'm working to clean up in there. It is working. So Took a break from the front. I was doing so much on the front. I talked previously about this section here, and having this up in here too is I need to get the sand. You might see some of the sand down here. Oh, that was all up inside from the blasting and getting that to come out. So we'll say it's very porous in there. Better. I hope this is picking it up. It's difficult to get in here and get this. You might see the rust in there. Okay. Yeah, it looks better. Okay, let me get back out. All right. So I drilled a 1/2-inch hole in the top of this front box section that I have been talking about, to take a look in there, and you can see the rust that's in there. I don't believe I have to open it up further. I think I can treat the rust that's in there and coat it without too much issue. And remember, this is the that's the box section we're looking at there. So I do think treating it will work pretty good. Still have to get in there, flush it out, get all the grease and grime out of there, flush it with a lot of solvents, take care of that, and then hit it with a rust converter. Get some spray rust converter with one of those, the internal frame coating, which I'd already talked about. I think I can use the internal rust converter, the rust converter with that wand. I think I've done that before in the past, and get it coated in there, treat the rust, convert it, and then go in with the internal frame coating and go over it for a secondary treatment. That's what my plan at the moment. You know, I can change it. You know, as the more you think about things, the more you consider it. But it's not that bad in there. But there is surface rust, and you can scrape it down to see metal. That's the good thing about as deep as the rust is, it's not rusted through. So that's the info in that area. Sure. So we'll say that's the update. It's a short one, but I can't just make a video here of you seeing me clean, doing something. Share a little different things from one to another of what I've invented, tools I invent to get in there and clean, and what the condition is. Because I really know I got to get up in here and get this clean, because it will rust. This area covered here, this skin, that is very prone to rust in the future. Well, you can see that it has rusted some. So I need to make sure that is protected for the future. I take care of the rust that's in there now, seal it up, and protect it for the next, what is this, 40, 50 years. This was a 77. It's 2026 now. Okay, 30 years. You can do the math. Oh, do the math. So, protected for many decades to come. That's a better way to put it. All right. Easier than me trying to do math here quickly on the fly while I'm thinking about it, trying to make a video somewhat interesting for people. All right, this is the extent of what I'm getting up to get this ready for paint. All right, thanks for watching, and follow